As the temperatures drop, we know a lot of you are still getting out for runs, workouts, or games, which is awesome. But here's the thing, skipping your warm-up in the cold could be the reason your muscles feel tight, your performance dips, or worse, you end up injured.
When it's cold, your muscles and tendons literally tighten up. Blood flow slows down, your joints feel stiffer, and your tissues become less elastic. Kind of like trying to stretch a cold rubber band.
That means if you jump straight into activity without warming up, your body isn't ready to handle the load. And that's when things like hamstring pulls, calf strains, or even joint pain can sneak up.
At Peak Performance, we help athletes and active individuals move, feel, and perform their best year-round. And one of the simplest ways to prevent injuries this season is making sure your warm-up actually prepares you and your body for the cold.
So here's a quick functional warm-up you can do anywhere. It only takes about 5 minutes, and it's great just to get your joints, muscles, and nervous system ready to go.
First up is the world's greatest stretch. First, step into a deep lunge, hands on the floor, arm back behind you, and you're going to rotate open towards the ceiling. This exercise helps open up your hips and mid-back, which are both key areas that will tighten up fast in the cold. Walking lunges. With this, you're going to take a step and a lunge forward. Then you're going to stand back up and switch legs. This gets your legs firing, activates your core, and wakes up your stabilizers for running or training. Hip circles. You're going to hold onto a wall, post, or squat rack, and you're going to make a circle with your knee. You're going to go forward and backwards to hit both directions. This loosens up the hips dynamically, which is way better than a static stretching before activity. All right, our next movement is going to be arm circles. And so we just start with some simple arm circles, 10 to 15 large circles. And then we're going to follow that up with a scapular push-up. So we're going to go down to the ground and get into push-up position, either on your knees or on your toes in the high plank. And we're going to do the scapular push-ups where we drop down and then push up right in between our shoulder blades. These prime your shoulders and upper back for prime your upper back, getting it ready for throwing, lifting, or overhead movement. And finally, we're going to do some high knees. So this is going to be a quick cardio burst, which is going to elevate your heart rate, and it literally warms up your tissues so that they can handle a load and impact safely.
Pro tip, aim for at least 5 minutes of movement. You should feel loose, warm, and a little bit of sweat before you start your workout.
A couple of quick reminders to keep your body ready in the cold. Number one, layer up smartly. You should feel slightly cool when you start your workout because you're going to heat up as you move. You need to stay hydrated. Cold air can dehydrate you even if you're not sweating. And then you have to cool down right, which sounds a little funny because it's already cold, right? But walk or move lightly for a few minutes after to gradually bring your heart rate down.
Cold weather doesn't mean slowing down, it just means training smarter. If you've been dealing with nagging tightness, muscle strains, or stiffness that won't go away, don't push through it.
We specialize in helping our patients stay active and pain-free all year long. Using chiropractic care, soft tissue and muscle treatments, and advanced therapies like shockwave and laser to help you move better and faster. So if you're having problems, give us a call today, 785-842-7325, and we will help you perform at your peak.